Good morning, dear student. Class 5th, subject math. Open page number 14. Exercise 3.1. Continue. Today we will solve question 6 and 7. In previous class we completed question number 3rd, 4th and 5. Okay, question number 5 complete by yourself. I hope complete question number 5. Today we will solve question 6 and 7. Firstly, read out question 6. These all are multiple based question. Okay, so all question solution are same pattern. Question 6 is price of a single chair is 678 rupees. Price of a single chair is 678 rupees. चेयर है जिसकी आपको प्राइस दी हुई है 678 रुपीज़. वाट विल बी द प्राइस ऑफ 296 चेयर. एक चेयर की प्राइस देकर आपसे 296 चेयर की प्राइस पूछी गई है. वी ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट दैट व्हेन गिवन वन थिंग प्राइस एंड asking more than thing price. In this situation we multiply the numbers. Okay, now solve out question number 6. Already write it here. Question number 6. Price of a single chair is 678 rupees. What will be the price of 296 chair? Okay, firstly write the lines which is given in question. Price of a single chair. Price of a chair which is 678. Okay, price of a chair 678. The second line, find the, जो आपको पूछा गया है, find the price of 296 chairs. Okay, find the price of 296 chair. Now multiply both numbers. $678 and 296. Okay, we know that how to multiply 3-digit number. Every digit multiply with every digit. Firstly 6 multiply by 678, 9 multiply by 678 and then 2 multiply by 678. Okay, now start. 6 8 are 48. 6 8 are 48. Write it 8 and transfer the carry 4. Okay, now 6 7 are 42 and add the carry in 42. 42 plus 4 46. Write it here only 6 and transfer the carry which is 4. Now 6 6 are 36 and add the 4. 36 plus 4 40. Okay, complete. Next multiply by 9. 9 8 ja 72. Write it here too and transfer the carry, which is 7. Okay. Now 9 7 ja 63 plus 7, which is 70. 63 plus 7 70. Transfer the carry, 7. Now 9 6 ja 54. 9 6 ja 54. Add the carry, 7, which is 61. 54 plus 7 61. Okay. Complete the multiply. Next, 2 multiply by 678. 2 8 ja 16. Transfer the carry, which is 1. 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 15. Transfer the carry, which is 1. 2 6 ja 12 plus 1 13. Okay. Complete the multiply. Now add these numbers. Now add the numbers. 8 as it is, 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 0 plus 0 6, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10. Transfer the carry, 1. 6 plus 1 7 and 7 plus 3 also 10, and transfer the carry, 1. 1 and 1 2. So the answer is 2,688,000. The answer is 2,688,000. The price of 296 chair is 2,688,000. Okay. Complete question 6. First line, price of a chair 678. Second line, find the price of 296 chair. Now and last is multiply. Okay. So the multiply answer is 2,688,000. Write down question number 6 in your fair notebook. Don't show carry in the fair notebook. Okay. Next question, question 7. Read out question number 7. How many plants will be there in 213 flower bed if each flower bed has 225 plant? एक फ्लावर बेड है, एक बगीचा है, उसमें बताया गया है कि एक फ्लावर बेड में 225 प्लांट्स होते हैं और आपसे पूछा गया है 213 फ्लावर बेड में कितने प्लांट होंगे. हाउ मैनी प्लांट विल बी देयर इन 213 फ्लावर बेड. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट लाइन, plant in one flower bed. Okay, plant in one flower bed, which is 225, which is 225. Now the second line, find the total plants in 213 flower bed. Okay, the second line is find the total plant in 213 flower bed. and last multiply both numbers. 213 multiply by 225. Okay, firstly 5 multiply by 213. 5 3 are 15. Transfer the carry, which is 1. 5 1 are 1. 5 1 are 5. Plus 1 6. 5 2 are 10. Okay, now 2 multiply by 213. 2 3 are 6. 2 1 are 2. 2 2 are 4. Same as 2 multiply by 230. The answer is same, 6, 2 and 4, because this is also 2. So the answer is 426. Now add the numbers. 5, 6 plus 6, 12. Transfer the carry, which is 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 6 9. Okay, 2 plus 1 3 plus 6 9. 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7, and 4 as it is because they are not digit with the 4. So the answer is 47,925. The answer is 47,925. The total plants in 213 flower bed is 47,925. Okay, also complete question 7. The first line, plant in one flower bed is 225. Find the total plant in 213 flower bed, and last is multiply, and the answer is 47,925. Okay, write down this question in your fair notebook. And the last question, question 8, do yourself, making the lines and multiply the numbers. Okay, firstly solve out in your rough notebook, then note down in your fair notebook. Okay, complete exercise 3.1. next exercise 3.2, we will start our next class. Thank you.